Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe, I want to show you on how to make pinwheel bread or Saganoti in Kiswahili. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe, you'll need two types of dough, salty dough and sugar dough. We'll start by the salty dough. You're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then you're going to add a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. After that, you're going to mix all the dry ingredients well as shown in this video. Make sure the dry ingredients are well combined. Then after that, you're going to add in warm milk gradually so that you can form a nice dough. You're going to knead the dough for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it is well kneaded and soft. Then you're going to set that dough aside so that you can switch to the other dough, the sugar dough. Now let's make the sugar dough. It's the same process as we made for the salty dough. So you're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of yeast. After that, you're going to mix all the dry ingredients well as shown in this video. You'll then start adding warm milk gradually. Mix it to form a nice dough. So you're going to do as shown in this video. You also need this dough for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, you're going to set it aside. So you'll have two types of dough. The first one is the sugar dough and the second one is the salty dough. You're going to let them rest for about 15 minutes before we roll them out. After 15 minutes of resting, you're going to roll out all the doughs, the salty dough and the sugar dough. When that is done, you're going to take the salty rollout dough, put it on the bottom as shown in this video. Then you're going to take the sugar dough, put it on top of it. Make sure they're of the same size. You'll then roll in the dough as shown in this video. Kindly make sure it is well intact. When you reach the ends, we're going to seal it with flour paste, which is basically water and just flour. You're going to put as shown in this video, then we're going to roll in so that it can seal well. As you can see from the video, our pinwheel bread dough is well intact, so you're going to cut it using a thread. So you'll take a thread as shown, then you're going to put it on the dough. You're going to cross the thread so that you can cut, but if you don't have the thread, you can use a very sharp knife to cut this dough. You repeat the process of cutting using the thread until you are done. You'll then let them rest for about 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes they should be ready to be fried. On a frying pan, we're going to add enough oil for frying, then we're going to fry in your pinwheel or saganoti until they're well cooked. Let them cook on a medium heat until they turn nicely golden brown as shown in this video. Then I'm going to flip it on the other side so that they can cook well. As you can see, they're turning on well, and as you can see from the video, our saganoti looks so beautiful and delicious. So we're going to remove them from the heat and set them aside. At this point, we're going to make some sugar syrup, which is basically 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. You're going to boil it, then you're going to drizzle the syrup on the saganoti. Mine, I didn't want the syrup, that's why I didn't make the syrup here. Our saganoti turned out so well. I took mine with a cup of tea, but you can also take with a cup of coffee or milk. Kindly do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. And don't forget to give this video a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn how to make their pinwheel bread or saganoti at home. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.